Could there really be life on one of Saturn's moons? This question has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike ever since the discovery of strange, intriguing signs on Enceladus, one of Saturn's icy moons. Enceladus, once thought to be just a frozen wasteland, is now at the forefront of astrobiological research, as evidence mounts that it could harbor conditions suitable for life. The story of Enceladus begins in 2005, when NASA's Cassini spacecraft started capturing stunning images of Saturn and its moons. Among the moons was Enceladus, a relatively small celestial body with a diameter of just about 500 kilometers. Its surface appeared to be completely covered in ice, and for many, it was assumed that this cold, distant moon had little potential for life. But Cassini soon revealed something extraordinary. During multiple flybys, Cassini discovered plumes of water vapor shooting out from cracks in Enceladus's icy crust, near its southern pole. These plumes were not just small outbursts of gas, but giant geysers that sprayed water, organic molecules, and other particles into space. The presence of liquid water under Enceladus's icy surface was confirmed, suggesting that beneath the thick ice sheet lay a subsurface ocean. Why is this significant? On Earth, water is one of the essential ingredients for life. If Enceladus has liquid water, that raises the possibility that some form of life, however primitive, could be thriving there. But water alone isn't enough. There must also be a source of energy, and here's where the story gets even more exciting. The plumes of Enceladus contained hydrothermal activity, similar to what we see around deep sea vents on Earth's ocean floors. These hydrothermal vents on Earth are teeming with life, even though sunlight cannot reach the deep ocean. Microorganisms and larger organisms feed off the chemicals emitted by these vents in a process called chemosynthesis, which doesn't rely on sunlight. The discovery of these same hydrothermal signatures on Enceladus suggested that life could potentially exist under its surface, feeding off the chemicals released by similar processes. But how does this all happen on such a small, cold moon? The answer lies in the gravitational forces exerted by Saturn. As Enceladus orbits Saturn, the massive planet's gravity pulls and stretches the moon, creating friction and heat within its core. This heat is enough to keep the ocean beneath Enceladus's surface from freezing, and might even fuel the hydrothermal activity that scientists are detecting. In 2017, further analysis of the plumes revealed molecular hydrogen, a potential food source for microbial life. On Earth, hydrogen is consumed by certain microbes living near hydrothermal vents, providing them with energy. This discovery led researchers to consider the tantalizing possibility that similar microbes could exist on Enceladus, using hydrogen for sustenance in the dark ocean beneath the ice. Now, the hunt for life on Enceladus is in full swing. Scientists are proposing missions to return to this icy moon, equipped with instruments capable of analyzing the plumes in greater detail, or even sending landers to drill through the ice to sample the subsurface ocean directly. The potential for finding life beyond Earth makes Enceladus one of the most exciting targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. However, the question remains, could there really be life on Enceladus? While the evidence is compelling, it's still not conclusive. The presence of water, energy sources, and organic molecules are all necessary components for life, but we have yet to find any definitive proof of living organisms. It's possible that even if all the right ingredients are there, life may never have taken hold on Enceladus due to other unknown factors. But the possibility alone is enough to keep scientists eagerly looking to the stars and to Enceladus. The discovery of life, even in its most basic form, on this small icy moon would have profound implications for our understanding of the universe and the potential for life elsewhere. It would suggest that life could exist in places we never imagined, and that Earth may not be the only home to living organisms. As the exploration of Enceladus continues, the world watches with bated breath. Could this icy moon hold the answers to one of humanity's greatest questions? If there's one thing we've learned from the discoveries made so far, it's that we should never underestimate the potential of the universe to surprise us.